You know, most of us have come from the work. You know, if it didn't work, it was going to be hugely consequential to us. 2 years, 3 years, 5 years later, and it still looks good. People remember that. Exploring newer technologies so that we can stay closer to the cutting edge of what those technologies are really going to be able to do. To go for it and build a standalone islanded microgrid was, yeah, there's some risk with that, but we also went for it and we were successful. What lasts is the work that we do.